Welcome to Ukrainian Style Dolls. Let's look further and walk together. I'm very happy we're meeting again. Today we travel to Cherkasy region. This wonderful land will be represented by a beautiful girl in the local national costume. This is how girls dressed for the holidays. 100 years ago, according to Ukrainian traditions, a short haircut for a girl would be a nonsense. From a young age, young girls were able to style their beautiful long hair in many ways. They loved to decorate themselves with ribbons and flowers. Such girls are vividly described in our literature. My doll looks very similar to the character in one of these books. I gave her the same name, Motra. We're gonna look closer at Motra's outfit right now, though I suggest you to watch the second step in the creation of the doll, how I make her hands. Motra is wearing a shirt embroidered with white silk. This is a holidays option. The skirt is sewn with fashionable fabric of black color from the outside and a red silk from the inside. At the waist, we can see a red woolen belt with an original finish at the ends. Outerwear is a corset. Its cut fully corresponds to regional traditions. And now I want to show you a very special national shirt. Embroidered in Cherkasy region, it's kept in my family for decades. It was embroidered by my unforgettable mother in 1942. She was 12 at the time. It was a difficult time of war in the occupied village. This fantastic work, masterful embroidery, literally made by child's hands. This relic will be kept by my children and grandchildren after me. Such treasures exist in most Ukrainian families. These are embroidered shirts, wooden products, pottery and jewelry. I imitated traditional women's jewelry for my Motra as well. This is a very common coral necklace throughout Ukraine. Another sign of nobility and wealth is a golden ducat on a ribbon. We also see an Orthodox cross. Today is a holiday. Motra is elegantly dressed because she's going to church. They're gonna bear flowers and herbs consecration ceremony. That's why we can see a special bouquet in her hands. It's complied in accordance with certain rules. Its components will be used later if necessary, in helping to treat diseases and even to prevent witchcraft. Those are the traditions that existed centuries ago, although even today some people believe in various magic. Ukrainians call this region the soul of Ukraine. Significant historical events took place here. Cherkasy has always been the epicenter of the struggle for freedom and independence. It was here that the Cossack movement was born, the embodiment of the heroism of Ukrainian people. Our great genius, the poet Taras Shevchenko, was born in a small village in the Cherkasy region. His contribution to literature is valued by Ukrainians at the level of Adam Mickiewicz among Poles, Johann Goethe among Germans, and William Shakespeare among Englishmen. Shevchenko left us prophetic poetry that known to all Ukrainians, but he was also a talented artist. His works are stored in museums. Born into slavery, he became the leader of an entire nation. I look forward to our meeting in a week. We'll visit a beautiful girl from Hutsul region in the Carpathian Mountains. Thank you for your attention. See you soon.